ये बेस्ट है। चाचा चौधरी
व्हाइट मूंछ सब लगा रहे थे।
चालू करें फिर अभी?
नहीं दिख रहा कहीं।
कैसे किया तुमने? आफ्टर इफेक्ट्स पे
क्या मूछ? ये तो जीनियस लोग ही कर सकते हैं सर।
हाँ यार, मतलब बढ़िया मजा आएगा आफ्टर इफेक्ट्स पे मूछ लगाना है। बट वेट अ सेकेंड,
अभी
ये रिवील था।
इसी का इंतजार था आपको।
बहुत सही।
और क्या
क्या इन्फो है यार, टू मच।
आज हमारे साथ हैं रचित वर्मा, Vice President Bakarmax, and who ran this whole CRED project. And then we have with us Vivekanda Roy Ghatak, founder of Rocket Science Animation, who directed the film. And then we have Divsang, who was an animator on the film, works at Bakarmax. Then we have Harish, who animated the film, is our other senior animator on the project. And then we have Subin, who works at Bakarmax, who animated the project. And we have Shivansh, who did all the voices. And slowly, oh yeah, cotton मुंह में आ रहा है इसका. But then slowly, through whatever happened, we got a lot of bigger actors to do the character. But eventually, he did Sabu. Sabu's voice is Shivansh, and all the actors actually worked on the cues that Shivansh had built in. And हाँ, आज हम बात कर रहे हैं, और मैं हूँ सुमित, और आज हम बात कर रहे हैं हमारी क्रेड वाली फिल्म के बारे में, एडल्ट एनिमेशन के बारे में. So let's start. Let's start with Rachit. Rachit, why don't you tell us how this project came into existence?
इतना कैंडिड होके बता रहे हैं.
पूरा absolutely out and out.
तो ये बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग था कि जिसको बोलते हैं ना आउट ऑफ द ब्लू प्रोजेक्ट आना. इट बेसिकली हैपेंड लाइक दैट, जहाँ पे using Chacha Chaudhary and characters like Suppandi, we wanted to create something for a long time. तो कुछ बनाने का मन था, चल ठीक है कुछ करते हैं amongst 10,000 other ideas that we have. तो फिर हमने सोचा कि यार CRED as a brand अनोखे वीडियोस बना रहा है, अनोखे कैंपेन्स कर रहा है, they have a lot of money, working with different kinds of people. तो उनके पास चलते हैं. पहला तो वही था ना, बिजनेस है, चलो let's try and work with them, let's try and milk the unicorn of India. And then we realized that CRED will be a perfect fit for a concept like this, क्योंकि उनकी जो audience है, उनके जो users हैं, वो same लोग हैं जो 90s में बड़े हुए हैं, 80s born, 90s में बड़े हुए हैं, which means they're well informed of Chacha Chaudhary and Suppandi, even if they're not big fans. So we thought that the perfect fit है. So it was just a random message on LinkedIn that we reached out to them. उन्होंने बोला हाँ ठीक है भेज दो, out of courtesy. Then हमने मेल पे भेजा, हम बकरमैक्स हैं, हम ये करते हैं, हम वो करते हैं. The usual spiel that we give to prospects, right? कि this is who we are, let's chat, figure out करेंगे क्या करते हैं साथ में. Out of 1,100 reply, out of 100, one actually talks to us, वैसा रहता है. तो CRED ignored us, and then randomly we were thinking अच्छा भी क्या करें. Then we thought एक बार reminder तो भेज देते हैं, हफ्ता 10 दिन हो गया. Out of that reminder, the next day they actually said हाँ we genuinely forgot, but we were actually very interested, so let's have a chat. And that's where it began. Just a random message on LinkedIn, an email reminder, then one conversation where we told them about what we wanted to do, this is who we are, and ये broadly roughly हमारे पास एक concept है. इसको लेके कुछ बनाते हैं, and they were kicked and they said हाँ why not, let's do it. तो बात शुरू हुई थी with a short video and all, and then I think अब आगे और बात होगी कि वो आइडिया जहाँ से कॉन्वर्सेशन में and then final product तक कैसे पहुंचे. So yeah, this was where it started.
Then I think हमारे लिए the key fact that we nailed at was कि they had already used they were using a lot of 90s के references in their videos, and sort of the key nail on its head that we made for them is, see, you've used Bollywood कर लिया तुमने, कुमार सानू वगैरह, cricket कर लिया तुमने, राहुल द्रविड़ वगैरह, but for 90s kids comics was a big thing. So you haven't used 80s, 90s, you haven't used comics. And I think that somewhere, I think, worked for them, jahan they got hooked into the idea कि हाँ कर सकते हैं. And मेरे को जो अगला वो था कि, you know, we got the lead-ins into Chacha Chaudhary and Suppandi was very easy for us. Like we knew people there already. Chacha Chaudhary wala, because I had my first only education was that I interned with cartoonist Pran, and Suppandi wala, I think Dipsang will tell us how we knew people at Amar Chitra Katha. Dipsang, can you tell us?
मतलब ट्रू स्टोरी बतानी है या ऑडियंस को थोड़ा सा बेवकूफ बनाना है?
Absolute truth. The truth, Chacha
Absolute
ji.
truth. तो हाँ, मतलब ACK के साथ मैंने इंटर्न किया हुआ था पहले, एंड मतलब राइट आउट ऑफ कॉलेज मैंने उनको ऐसा पिंग किया था, इंटर्नशिप चाहिए, जॉब चाहिए, वो सब, एंड वहाँ पे इंटर्न किया, बट देन कोविड वगैरह हिट हो गया एंड इंटर्नशिप मेरी कट शॉर्ट हो गई थी. एंड देन लेटर बकरमैक्स में मैंने इंटर्नशिप की, एंड गेस व्हाट, बकरमैक्स की मेरी फर्स्ट कॉमिक क्या थी? मैंने और सुमित ने मिलके एक कॉमिक बनाई जिसका नाम था खूनी सुपंडी, जिसमें बेसिकली हमने सुपंडी को पूरा स्पूफ किया था, एंड इट वाज कि सुपंडी ने अपने मास्टर का खून वून कर दिया है एंड घर पे चोरी वोरी कर दी है, एंड बेसिकली एंड में रिवील होता है वो अपनी खार उधेड़ता है, ही इज एन एलियन वगैरह. तो इस पे कुछ लोगों ने काफी ऑफेंस वगैरह ले लिया था, बट इट वाज डन इन ऐसा ह्यूमर वगैरह, and they got offended and they asked us to pull it down. उसका भी कुछ अलग conversation चला था कि cease and desist notice टाइप पहले and legal action लिया जाएगा, and I was just an intern. तो मुझे ऐसा email आ रहा है lawyer से कि cease and desist notice चाहिए.
So he was
and
basically
this is being sent to you.
made a party to that.
So ACK did that. ACK
Yeah.
sent that mail ki pull it down.
ACK ने email किया.
And we tried to basically explain them that this is a spoof. Like we love the characters. That's why we're joking. And I think their concern was that, you know, it's a clean, neat character and don't do this, you know, it affects our IP. And we still tried to, you know, keep explaining it to them. But beautiful was that we got this like 20-page letter baad mein, jisme it went about everything. You know, the comic is not nice, this, that. But then it went like one page was dedicated on Bakarmax ka analysis, where they said Bakarmax is an assault on the senses. Like we read
that
your comics.
Sort of became our new tagline.
Like we read your comics, they're not nicely made, they're not nicely written, and they're an assault on the senses.
Wow.
So then, you know, we were also, you know, not sure what to do, what direction to take. And then eventually, for business sake, if we had more money at that point, we would have taken it to litigation just to establish spoof as a concept, that, you know, spoof is a real thing. It happens because इंडिया में लीगली स्पूफ के लिए कोई पहले केस हुआ नहीं है, अभी तक सिर्फ एक हुआ है, which Tata fought with Greenpeace. So we explored that also to actually fight a legal battle, and then we were like nahi karna, and then I mailed their CEO, and their CEO replied ke okay, let's just talk one-on-one and sort it out. And we had this conversation. I tried explaining, they did not agree, and then I said okay, we'll pull it down, and we pulled it down. But that's how we got connected to them. So move back the ball to Rachit, Varma. Next, what happened?
तो it was surprisingly easy to talk to them. जब हमने तमीज से प्रोफेशनली बात करी, जब मैंने बात करी about a concept where we will work using Suppandi, and of course we were telling them that we're working with a brand like CRED, so wo to tha, it gives you legitimacy. But interesting thing was that we also told them that we plan to bring Chacha Chaudhary, so this was an interesting take that they thought should be worth exploring, because दोनों अलग यूनिवर्स के हैं, ऐसा भी कभी हुआ नहीं था. So इसमें तो they very readily and very easily agreed without any issues and hassles. उन्होंने बोला बिंदास करते हैं, तुम हमें स्क्रिप्ट भेजो, कॉन्सेप्ट भेजो, let's figure this out, let's do this. And then we had the same conversation with Pran. They were also kicked about it. I think simply because not एक तो CRED जैसे ब्रांड के लिए these characters have not been used. Plus the key thing was, I think, adult animation में ये जो बन रहा है, it's not made for kids, right? It's not just for 6-year-olds. This is targeted towards 30, 40, whatever. तो वो I think they were वो बिना हिचकिचाए उन्होंने बोला बिंदास करो, let's make this, let's do this, because एक नया dimension मिलेगा, and then very urban audience, CRED की जो audience है, they'll get to see something which is from the 90s or just related to kids. So very easy conversations with both the IP holders.
Then who wrote the script? I think you wrote the concept and the script pura, correct?
Concept तूने बताया था that ऐसे करके कुछ करते हैं. Then I started writing the script where we created a 1-minute sort of a draft with a single monologue. जैसे भी 3 monologues है ना, उसमें जैसे एक single ही monologue था कि सुपांडी कुछ बोलता है, चाचा कुछ बोलता है, then Suppandi goes on a monologue, and उस time पे चाचा के reactions होते हैं. This was a very basic concept कि ऐसे बनाते हैं, because budgetary time constraints, they wanted to actually do it at the time of IPL. Original idea था IPL खत्म होने से पहले they were doing a series of ads, so they said कि this would be a final ad in this series and we'll put it out before the IPL ends. उसके बाद फायदा नहीं है. We were trying to do it, but then a lot of back and forth, script में मजा नहीं आ रहा, duration, पैसे, a lot of things happened, and then काफी time तो लटक गया था कि we didn't know हो रहा है कि नहीं.
So the first time, as soon as I got to know, I was sure, like, I worked with Vivek Pele on Pujita, and like we have always been clear, like I wanted to work with Vivek. So I suddenly reached out tabhi ke tabhi, and Vivek, what was your reaction? What was your first thoughts on the concept, the idea?
My first thing was like, it's too good to be true. You know, like wow, this is like dream opportunity. ऐसे तो कुछ होता नहीं है. And I was very hesitant to take it on. You know, you said कि हाँ, you will direct it, you take it on. But for me, I felt like the stakes are so high. And I go, oh my God, like ये यार मुझे नहीं करना सुमित यार, you only, मैं तुझे help कर दूंगा, animation वाला part मैं देख लूंगा, but overall direction on it's like too high stakes for me. So मेरा बहुत, I remember I was very hesitant.
Yeah.
And you were only encouraging me कि ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, I have seen your work, you can do it, you give me pep talks.
Yeah, you were like completely saying कि मुझे नहीं करना, मैं कैसे करूं direct, और ये despite like you've directed like 10,000 things, and I think उसके बाद भी you agreed once. I just for the sake of it I said okay, then we are co-directors. And you still know that you directed the whole film.
हाँ, वो co-director से थोड़ा मुझे relief मिला. हाँ, ठीक है.
And then I think suddenly you had to go and that, and I think by the time, not even before that, I think you took like 2 hours, and within that you had done Chacha ka character sketches, shuru kar diya tha, movement, body with your Ghatak speed.
Right.
And then I think you had to go, correct?
Yeah, then I had to take some time off, some family emergency. So that was a tough time, but luckily it all worked out.
Yeah, so I think that's the time when we reached out to Harish, and Harish has been abused in the past as an intern at Bakarmax, where he worked, and then he used to sleep at the roof. while I slept in air conditioning. So Harish, what were your thoughts when I connected with you? Okay, film pe kaam karna. I think initially we wanted you to sort of direct in case, come in as senior animator in case Vivek is not able to return. We were looking at that situation.
So basically, it's like a circle of life. Yes. So while I was in IDC doing my masters 5 years back, तो बहुत सारी जगहों पे मैंने इंटर्नशिप के लिए अप्लाई किया था 50-60 जगहों पे रिप्लाई आया सिर्फ 5-6 जगहों से आउट ऑफ विच 3 जगहों से तो रिजेक्शन था कि यू आर नॉट रेडी 2 जगहों से पॉजिटिव रिस्पांस आया था वन वाज बकरमैक्स द अदर वन वाज डायमंड कॉमिक्स एक्चुअली सो दैट टाइम दे वर डूइंग चाचा चौधरी का एनिमेटेड सीरीज but they didn't take me in because I said कि मैं सिर्फ 2 महीने का इंटर्नशिप दे सकता हूं so they said that we want you for at least 6 months otherwise we cannot take you but gladly अच्छा हुआ कि at least Bakarmax में तो मिला but Bakarmax have been a very important milestone in my life because a lot of people say that I started smiling after Bakarmax smiling a lot of people said that. But हाँ मतलब when you reached out that was also a time when I had just finished my film also मतलब finish होके थोड़ा time हो गया था and I was trying to find funds or या फिर opportunities to do something else but all opportunities were coming but nothing was working out as such especially in animation and internally मतलब जिन लोगों को मैं जानता था and they had the phone I mean I tried approaching them कि यार मुझे थोड़ा मतलब recommend कर दो so that I can at least pitch some concept. तो they were saying कि यार थोड़ा पहले कुछ बड़ा कर ले मतलब NSC जीत ले या वैसा कुछ कर उसके बाद think about it. So I was kind of gearing towards that and at that time this thing came in. Also ये मेरा first time है when I am actually working with a team. Generally even 2 years back also मतलब whatever little bit of animation or Surya have done. They sort of let me do my own stuff generally मतलब तो this was also new experience because मुझे भी मतलब एक डायरेक्टर के अंडर ही काम करना था just to sort of get the feel of working in a team so that आगे जाके when I direct hopefully and if I need to manage team how I will do it उसके लिए एक learning time Vivek is a huge क्या बोलते हैं wings के अंदर ले लिया but I mean it's very difficult to match his speed but it was an interesting journey for me in that way. Also ये बड़ा चीज है that you got me to focus on Suppandi because Suppandi I think is one of the most iconic characters in Indian comics per se even more than Chacha Chaudhary because Chacha Chaudhary is famous in northern belt but pan Indian appeal में आप देखो तो Suppandi a lot of people know. So जब मैं 10 साल की उम्र में था that time I know Suppandi and अभी my 10-year-old nephew also even though character designs change हो गए but the designs that I did for Suppandi ना he immediately recognized अरे ये तो Suppandi है so it's a huge responsibility also मतलब पहली बार you are seeing Suppandi move and come alive so there is a version of Suppandi now in universe that I designed मतलब
I remember those sketches you made ना सबसे पहले वाले which were what सारे अलग-अलग versions में was Knocker का then Haddock वाला Matrix वाला you just started doing that सबसे पहले and then Nakul Sehdev of Bakarmax what were your thoughts वगैरह when you heard अब ये काम करना है were you happy, worried, afraid? Karan Arjun of
हम लोग
Bakarmax.
के लिए करण अर्जुन ऑफ बकरमैक्स ठीक है मतलब मार लो जोक्स हो हम तो फॉरएवर इंटर्न्स ऑफ बकरमैक्स ही रहेंगे बट हाँ जब पता चला कि क्रेड के लिए एनिमेट होने वाला है कुछ क्रेड के लिए चाचा चौधरी और सुपंडी के साथ काम करने वाले हैं तो मतलब वो एक्साइटमेंट लेवल तो अलग ही था कि मतलब बचपन से ऐसा पढ़ा हुआ है चाचा चौधरी बचपन से पढ़ी है सुपंडी कॉमिक्स बचपन से पढ़ी है एंड गेटिंग टू वर्क विद देम दोस्तों को बताया कि चाचा चौधरी सुपंडी को एनिमेट करने मिल रहा है तो वो लोग भी ऐसा बड़े लोग तो हाँ मतलब काफी इंटरेस्टिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी।
हाँ मेरे को तो पता नहीं था सुपांडी, और चाचा चौधरी पता था, सुपांडी नहीं पता था। फिर मुझे वही सुपांडी को ड्रॉ करके सब
बूया,
सीखा मैंने।
हरीश बूया, उसको नहीं पता था।
हाँ फिर मैंने वो सीखा, हरीश ने मुझे गाइड किया कैसे सुपांडी को ड्रॉ करना है वो सब, तो अच्छा।
Say, finally at Shivansh, Mr. Man of 1000 Voices, Shivansh and we met. And it's just sad here, I'm sorry, but Shivansh also came for internship. this जाल बिछा रखा है मैंने, sorry, but matlab not sorry. Shivansh came in to intern and he's a great writer. He does theater, he's an actor. And since he came in, we've been doing all the voices at Bakarmax, and he does a brilliant job. Like, he can change his voices in so many ways. And Shivansh, तुम्हारा क्या thought, reaction, विचार था?
मैं तो खुश हो गया था कि अरे रोजगार मिल गया फिर से। तो सही है, मतलब मैं तो वैसे ही बहुत खुश हो गया था कि हाँ सही है, एक और काम आ गया। और मतलब इन्होंने जैसे वही बताया था कि चाचा चौधरी वगैरह का ही वॉइस होएगा, मतलब इन्होंने जैसे स्टार्टिंग से तो क्लियर कर दिया था कि हाँ ये स्क्रैच वॉइसेस है। मेरे को तो पता भी नहीं स्क्रैच वॉइसेस क्या होता है। तो हाँ, तो वो मैं उसके लिए एक्साइटेड हो गया था कि हाँ अरे चाचा चौधरी का करेंगे। वो वही चाइल्डहुड वाली चीज वो हो गई ना कि अच्छा ये अब मेरी वॉइस आएगी इसमें, तो मतलब हाँ पंप अप हो गया था मैं करने के लिए सारे जो भी कुछ। तो बढ़िया था करना भी और डेवलप करना भी जो भी वॉइसेस उस टाइम पे, तो बढ़िया था।
सही। Vivek, अब we moved into animation and a lot of these things were going on. तो anything, वो can you tell us more about क्या हो रहा था उस टाइम पे, क्या पंगे हुए, क्या incidents चले, processes में कुछ हुआ, all of those things.
Right. So the first thing, matlab, for the past 2 years, we've all been working in lockdown only with my office crew also. So that was going on, but I have been working with them for like 5-6 years. So we know how we work at those channels. But this kind of a project with like, very high stakes, very tight deadlines, you have 2 characters which are already pre-designed, everybody knows them. You can't screw up on the animation or the design or the look. CRED is very particular about their brand value. It was a very high stakes project, and to manage that completely remotely, that was like a big, challenge from day one. Ki how do you sort of all work together, and how do you break it down so that the whole thing is digestible in small bites, right? So that was a big thing. We didn't really do anything spectacular, just stuck to the basics, which is like the animatics. You're the first, I think the first animatics that we made for which is like the storyboard, that was like super critical. If you look at the final film and you look at the first animatics that we had done, which only took a couple of hours to do, and after that for 1 month we've been working on this film. That was again, it was a reiteration that such an important part of the process. It's like you can say ki yaar, very rough drawings, animation sab kuch change ho jayega, but again, it's a reiteration of how important that stage of the production is for anything. And how sure are you about your animatics, about your storytelling? That when you see like a storyboard where there's limited movement, the movement you have to imagine in your head, right? So you have to be very sure about the movement. Yes, this is the right timing, this is the right thing, let's just animate this and this will work.
And you were discussing also that point now where you were saying that basically I have a habit where I really work on the animatic lot more than you're supposed to. Like I really work on it again and again and again and again. And you were like I get into that zone where I cut animation to, sort of make it
right.
So can you tell a little bit more about that?
Like basically, okay, maybe see, I have not made too many comics. So, but when you're making a comic, you're like 100% of the story. This is the storytelling. Whatever you need is just one panel. You can draw whatever you want. You want 10,000 people, you want this action, that action, you can do what. But like I've been doing like ad production for like 20 years now, and where deadline is very crucial. So it's a very fine line into how do you stage your shots so that animation wise it is not too cumbersome to execute. At the same time, it has to do justice to the story. If your story demands you have 100 characters in the film, you have to put in 100 characters. But if it does not demand, then just you can get away with a single drawing panning. So while when I'm doing the animatics at this stage right now, I'm not only doing the acting that like in somebody in theater will do the acting, I'm doing that acting as well as I'm doing the planning. I'm planning my backgrounds, I'm planning where I'll pan, I'm planning what part I'll do in 3D, what part I'll do in 2D, what softwares will I use. I'm even thinking of resources. Oh, I know one person who can do this kind of animation. Oh, I know. So all that is happening parallelly while you're doing the planning stage. That's why it looks like very rough drawings, but there are layers of information in that which are not this thing, and that is very crucial in terms of for meeting your deadlines and meeting your timelines and all that.
I think मेरे लिए that was very sort of revolutionary, क्योंकि like the way you plan the shots ना कि background में से ये zoom in हुआ and it'll cut to this, we ended up our backgrounds were efficient, these things. What happens with me is usually I do more and it cuts down later, so you saved that effort very early on, with especially your zoom ins, right, from a bigger shot to a smaller shot. So वो काफी सही था ये. I guess you like the podcast so far, so I'm just going to take a quick second to sell you little bits. One bit is, please go to buymeacoffee.com/Bakarmax and buy us a coffee. Another bit is that if this is a client work we did, you liked it, we actually sustain ourselves doing client work. We're known for our original work. But if you know somebody who's looking for a great studio to do animation, comics, design for them, they can connect with us. We have great track record. 78% of our clients come back and give us work again. We worked with a lot of people like Saban, like ITC. So we do a lot of client work, but our heart is in doing original comics and original animation. So Hanji, ye hai. And let's go back to the podcast. Basically, it happened with us in Ichhadari Tattiwala, this animated short we made. And usme basically we had Ravish Kumar ka character. And the person who does the best voice of Ravish Kumar is this person at TVF called Shivankit Parihar, right? And he does this spoof called Raja Rabish Kumar. And the person, founder of TVF, he really loves Bakarmax ka content. And he specially loved this spoof we did called Good Boy Doga, and generally likes all the comics, and he keeps coming back with ki ye sahi tha, ye acha tha. So we reached out to him, we said, yaar ye karna hai, can we speak to him? And he gave us the number, we spoke to him, and then he was like, I can't do this for free really. And we're like, no, we get it, we also don't have any money, so absolutely fine. And then he heard about it and he was like, no, I'll talk to him. He'll do it, and then you barter me, you will animate something for him one day. And then he did it, and that's just, we got the most brilliant voice just by, so this is a favor CRED, and this favor was not established on the basis of, that we were anybody's son or we had a budget. The capital here was the original work we have done, which established that respect in his eyes, because between creative people, they don't see the difference of years is not there. Like you work with anybody, chahe 40 years ka experience hai, chahe 5 saal ka hai, once they are working together, they are kids with crayons and with a big book. They don't really think itna, matlab logical jitne log hai. So if you have done original work, small ones, and if any of them, somebody shines on somebody, even the biggest people, they will, if they've seen something, they like it, or somebody likes it who knows someone. So I think with lot of time and by currying lot of favors, I think you can get both of these things sorted. By doing a good production, you can also do, and you can get big people involved just on the basis of that they did something that you did, which they absolutely loved, where they now have the same respect for you. So I think, mere point of view, I feel that's a way to pull it when you don't have money. Anywho, brief flashes of intelligence जो आते हैं. I'm back to my बेवकूफ छुट्टियापा क्या है. हाँ रचित, तो एडल्ट एनिमेशन के बारे में बात करें कुछ.
हाँ बताओ क्या बात करनी है.
तुम बताओ.
तो यार देखो, हम सब यहाँ जानते हैं कि collectively और we want adult animation to prosper in India, right? वो एक बहुत बड़ा गैप है जो अभी तक फिल नहीं हो रहा है. It's something that we're all working towards. At Bakarmax, we try and spend half our time doing original content. We could work like an agency full time, earn more money, hire more people to do more things. But then that does not align with our vision of bringing mainstream adult animation to people, adult content in the mediums of comics and animation. So this project was for us. I know it's maybe when this gets released, film release ho gayi hogi, hopefully, if all goes well. And we'll see how people react. But this is a breakthrough for us as well, right? And a breakthrough for a startup, which is one of the biggest startups today.
You're talking about Bakarmax, correct?
Initially, we were talking about Bakarmax. Okay. Now we're talking about CRED. So CRED presenting this movie to their audiences and bringing animation into mainstream, where they've worked with people like Jim Sarb and Rahul Dravid and Venkatesh Prasad and whoever else. And now they've consciously chosen animation as a medium, picked up popular animated characters and created something for adults. So, and a piece of animation which is not designed for children, or it's not mythological, and yet it's commercial, it's mainstream, right? That doesn't exist in India. So we feel that it's a breakthrough in a lot of senses. Of course, for Bakarmax, like Vivek was saying, that sometimes you do it for the film, the value that it has beyond the money. But then from a larger perspective, we think it could be a stepping stone, it could be ignored, it could be whatever, but we feel that it has potential to at least bring some fucking attention towards this medium, which people should take seriously. Brands can consider beyond just an explainer video or case study video, but stories, great stories can be told through this, even for people of all ages, adults essentially. So we are very kicked about it. We hope the video is out right now and it's kicking butt and people are going crazy saying, wow, Bakarmax is the best and dancing around. But nevertheless, I think it would still give us momentum and, collectively we have something that we can be proud of and show that we've created this. I think it's a great attempt at doing what we really want to do. So it's a small step, but वो moon वाला जो dialogue होता है ना, small step for animators, huge step for industry, वैसा वाला scene हो सकता है.
I remember since our college days, we are like, used to be fans of Simpsons. And Indian Simpsons कब आएगा? And we've seen Indian television कि जो बाहर वेस्ट में होता है उसके 5-10 साल बाद यहाँ पे उसका कॉपी बन जाता है. तो वे लाइक कन्विंस्ड यार अभी कुछ ही सालों में आ जाएगा, यहाँ कभी बट वो somehow हुआ नहीं. Simpsons 1989 में बना था, अभी 2021, but there is no sign of anybody. So I mean, there are reasons we are guessing, but Rachit and Sumit especially, what do you guys feel? What is the reason? Why hasn't it kicked off? Where comedy is there, Indians love comedy. There's so many parodies, you know, everyone's used to cartoons, newspaper cartoons we've been seeing since a long time, or Rajiv Gandhi ki lambi si naak and all, everyone knows all those things, right? So why hasn't it really picked up like adult animation? Like,
Rachit,
why is it only for kids?
My esteemed colleague, would you like to reply?
I think there's 2-3 reasons. First is the audience. I think adult animation, the audience is still very urban, limited to metro cities, and who consume content from outside of India. That's one. So आपकी audience firstly limited है. Second, इसका correlation ये है that since animation is a bit expensive, labor intensive है, time लगता है, पैसे लगते हैं. So if it doesn't give you the returns, it's going to be tough. So if it doesn't work at a mass level, जो कि सलमान के fans भी अगर देख सके, तब तक नहीं चलेगा. And those audiences, I feel, are still looking for content which is a little more mass, as opposed to something which is funny, but something which is still very intelligent, like a Simpsons. आप Simpsons ही देखोगे तो even within the urban audiences, not everyone is a fan, right? It's not as mass popular as, let's say, a Friends. Both maybe English sitcoms or whatever from outside, but Simpsons, firstly, medium. हमारी मेंटालिटी एक तो बच्चों वाला सीन है कि कार्टून तो बच्चों के लिए होती है, as opposed to a live action show. And then I think even if it's full gag, full comedy, medium will always be a block unless people gradually start accepting it as something serious, something not for kids. So अभी time है थोड़ा, but I think this film could be a good stepping stone.
Right.
कोई वो नहीं है, मतलब no modesty. आज modesty वाला पैंट नहीं पहना है.
यार dream big, man. Like dream big, of course.
सही बात है. I तो personally, whenever these kind of questions come, I just smile and cry inside. So I think, but I think वही Rachit is saying, वो भी basically market prove नहीं हुआ ना. The everybody is ready to put in money once the market is proven. Because then the risk is somebody has faced those risks and face the cost for that risk. So that's it. And I think conducive environment में तो कर लेगा हर कोई. तो जब non conducive environment, तब तो only madness can exist. So I think the only way to do it when the market is not, performing, the math is not checking out, then you need madness. Then you can only survive if you're just lost it, matlab, if you're just.
But the first studio who breaks through the adult animation thing will really make it big, though. वो तो है.
I think they'll have within, I think 6 months to 2 years, they'll have far bigger competitors with lot of money, literally just stepping on their throat. So, but matlab sure, matlab main thing is, I just hope it happens. So anybody on that note, anybody wants to say one last word? Our director Saab, Vivek, what your last something to say?
Yeah, it's been fantastic working on this. Like I remember, like one Sunday night we were going to crash out, and my wife is like, "Oh, kal Monday hai, सुबह काम." And I was like, "Oh, kal Monday hai, kal to naya scene shuru karna hai." And I was like, man, I'm so lucky. So many people, I would rather do this than anything else. मतलब कोई बोले यार movie देखते जाने कि यार एक scene animate करना है, like I would rather do this. I just had like awesome fun doing it. We figured out new animation techniques, and we figured out if animate a new morph tool feature.
That 3D thing, going from 3D globe transition, that we figured out the biggest.
There's one interesting tidbit about that 3D thing. So that 3D sequence, हमने पहले रेंडर किया था उसको 3D में with lights and all that, shadow, उसके realistic shadow पड़ रहे थे उसके अंदर. And then वो कर रहे, then I was talking to Neeraj, who's the 3D guy in my office. So he was not getting something right. So I was like, share me your screen, let me see. So when you see a 3D image without rendered, when you're actually on the viewport, then you could see Ankit's painted texture on it ekdam clearly, right? And when you put the light and render it, it gets the shadows and gets diffused. मैंने कहा इतना beautiful लग रहा है. So the final version that we have on film is not being rendered. It
What?
is a play. Yeah, it is not a render की 3D पे उसमें कोई lighting नहीं है. If you look at, there's no lighting. It is just purely जो अंकित जो पेंट कर रहा था, याद है on his iPad Pro जो उसपे जो look आ रहा था, it's that pure look. उसपे कुछ nothing is being painted. No, there's no lighting on it actually. It is completely flat. Not on the coins, not on anything. And that painted texture is looking so good. The minute I put any light on it, वो मर जा रहा है. It was getting merged into, it was getting in that uncanny valley of ये क्या है, 3D है, 2D है, क्या है. But once I took that off, it's working like really well.
सही. हरीश साहब.
मैं क्या बोलूं सर?
अरे सर कुछ तो बोलिए सर.
नहीं, बट थैंक यू फॉर हैविंग. मतलब बहुत सारी बातें तो मुझे ये पॉडकास्ट में पता चली, बिकॉज मैं बीच में से सडनली आया था ना. So how it got started, this was a revelation for me also, मतलब with the audience who are listening this. अभी I think after this project, मेरी family finally they will be proud of me, because Suppandi is a character that is very dear to everyone. So वो एक achievement रहेगा.
They won't be, Harish. I can guarantee. they will be. I'll tell you why. Because I wrote इतना सारा काम किया, सब किया, and there was only one time my father said he's proud of me. तब बिजली का बिल आया था और वो कम आ गया था. इतने घटिया इंडियन पेरेंट्स. तो आई डोंट थिंक.
नहीं, एक्चुअली मेरी फैमिली से मुझे रिक्वेस्ट आता था 2-3 साल से कि यार सुपांडी का कुछ करना है.
ओह अच्छा.
सही यार. नाइस.
सही.
And then our voice master, magic of 1,000 voices, who obviously is on camera just slightly ashamed, but as soon as the camera goes off, I just get voice recordings of I can't even imagine this person is making all those voices. So anything you have to add, Shivansh?
मतलब मैं तो यही कहूंगा कि मैं जब सबसे पहले मैं देखा ही था इंस्टाग्राम पे बकरमैक्स को कि ये भी एक चीज है जो एग्जिस्ट करती है, तो उसी से ही मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हो गया था कि हाँ ये किसी ने सोच के ये बनाना शुरू करा है. तो मुझे अभी नहीं पता कि आगे ऑब्वियसली फ्यूचर में क्या कैसे होने वाला है, बट ये तो सर्टेनली श्योर है कि आप लोग एक चीज फाउंड कर रहे हो, मतलब फाउंडिंग ब्रिक्स रख रहे हो इंडिया में एक तरीके के कंटेंट की. तो मैं बहुत ग्लैड हूँ कि आप लोगों के साथ एसोसिएटेड हूँ.
नहीं, this is the last project we are doing because Rachit has a very bad gambling problem, and I have a
yeah, Sumit.
So
I thought
he has lost all of
between us
capital gambling away. Rachit, we have to be clear with people. Yaar, Divsang and Subin need to know this.
यार अभी नहीं बताना था ना, न्यू ईयर के टाइम पे, नए साल में बताना था.
I know, but
so yeah, we're wrapping everything up.
Yeah.
ये फिल्म भी अभी हम सारी फाइल्स डिलीट कर देंगे.
I'll be also away now because you know that every month I have these 4 prostitutes that I have adopted as foster children.
अच्छा, Shivansh, you were saying.
हाँ.
नहीं तो फिर मैं उसमें ये कह रहा था कि सारा अपना सारा पैसा गैम्बलिंग में लूज करने से पहले मेरी बची हुई पेमेंट कर देना.
आवाज नहीं आ रही. हाँ क्या
क्रिप्टो में कर दो. क्रिप्टो करेंसी.
एक्चुअली फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम ना मेरे माइंड में सुपांडी की आवाज वो शिवंश की आवाज है, बिकॉज कोई एक्टर नहीं था ना, तो मेरे माइंड में ऑलरेडी सेट हो गया था कि ये सुपांडी की आवाज है. फिर वो सुरेश मेनन की आवाज में रजिस्टर होने में थोड़ा टाइम लगा था एक्चुअली. सो मेरे माइंड में सबसे पहला सुपांडी तो ही है शिवंश.
Shivansh, why don't you give us like dialogues from both characters, one dialogue?
मुझे तो अभी याद भी नहीं है कि क्या आवाज निकाली थी मैंने.
Thank you. Reality check. Okay, sorry.
कितना एक्साइटेड हो के मैं सीधा डिसअपॉइंट.
And then Nakul Sehdev of Bakarmax, Karan Arjun of Bakarmax. Do you have anything to add, Subin, Divsang?
अब मेरे लिए तो मतलब एक्सपीरियंस था काफी सही वाला, क्योंकि मतलब मैं तो इंजीनियरिंग की हुई है, एनिमेशन तो मतलब सीखा नहीं कहीं से, तो जितना भी सीखा ऐसा ऑनलाइन यूट्यूब वगैरह से ही सीखा है। एंड इसके पहले भी जितने प्रोजेक्ट थे वो ऐसा मतलब कोई ऐसा स्पेसिफिक टीम नहीं थी जिसमें कोई सीनियर एनिमेटर हो, कोई ऐसा क्रू हो बड़ा सा। एंड तो ऐसा फर्स्ट हैंड देखने मिला कि कैसे काम होता है एक पूरे एनिमेशन प्रोजेक्ट में, तो काफी सही था। लाइक विवेक ने बोला कि हमने एक नई टेक्निक इन्वेंट की एनिमेट करने के लिए, बट मेरे को लगा कि अच्छा ऐसे ही होता होगा, तो अभी पता चल रहा है कि अच्छा ये नया टेक्निक है। हाँ
हाँ सेम जो इसने बोला।
ये क्या है? ये क्या पेपर में
ओके बाय सुबह।
हाँ
सारे वर्ड्स ले लिए उसने, अब कुछ नहीं बचा।
कुछ तो बोल साबु।
हाँ सही है। मेरे को तो ये मेरी ड्राइंग भी थोड़ी वीक थी, तो मैंने 100 सुपांडी बनाए मैंने, 150 समथिंग, तो मैंने उसका रिकॉर्ड तोड़ा है सुपांडी।
आई रिमेम्बर हरीश सेड 100 सुपांदी बनाने को ना तेरे को।
हाँ तो मेरे 150 हो गए थे थोड़े लास्ट में आते आते।
मस्त।
उसको अपन सैड म्यूजिक के साथ ऐसा ट्रांसपेरेंसी के साथ सुबिन का
नहीं
चेहरा
अच्छा था,
लगाएंगे और
उससे
रिलीज
मुझे
करेंगे।
ड्राइंग का मालूम पड़ा कि कहाँ पे मैं गलत कर रहा हूँ, तो वो सही था। तो वो भी अच्छा था। अब आगे भी करूंगा सबके लिए।
Must. And and I would like to just say this film couldn't have happened without me, and I'm the only one responsible for the beauty and the intelligence and the great animation in this film and the great voices. It was all me, the managing the clients and doing all the transactions and dealing with people. Everything was just me. You were just
सिंह यहाँ पे ये पार्ट कट जाएगा।
but in
I
all
think your name is Sanuj KS.
my name is Sanuj KS, I'm god of animation. But on an serious note, I'm just thankful. Thank you to like you guys really pulled through. Everybody did just a beautiful job, and especially thanks to Vivek. Vivek, this is your film. This is literally your film. This couldn't have happened without you. And you're our director, and everybody who put in the effort, and Rachit, managed. There's so many conversations he has managed, which was not even possible, and is starting to look like an award speech right now. But Harish, for really, like I was telling everybody, you blame yourself more than anybody else possibly can. So you really, where you were like, no, nahi, ye final nahi hai, mere ko aur better karna hai, and you went back to shots, and Shivansh, the amount of effort you put in recordings, re-recordings, and to the level where your thing, what you did is literally all the acting in the film, right? Everybody has based their acting on your voice. Other voices, in a sense, are sure there, but yours was the first voice we heard, and that's what we followed on. And I'm really happy that we still got to keep Sabu as your voice, and Divsang for really just working with Vivek one-on-one, and doing all things khatakhat, and Subin for just and I think you have this essence of Harish, like you're just way too sincere. So thanks for all that sincerity, and I know teri machine would have like burnt out ab tak. I'm just surprised wo abhi tak chal bhi rahi hai. But great job, and it's just nice. Thank you.
Ankit for the
Ankit, who's Ankit? Ankit कौन है? I don't remember.
Beep कर देंगे.
बैकग्राउंड तो सुमित ने किया है।
Background तो मैंने किए सारे. But नहीं, Ankit
मैंने किए थे backgrounds.
But Ankit, Ankit, I'm sorry, but Ankit goes without saying यार. उसको हम कहते हैं colors का जादूगर. So we're always indebted to him for doing such a great thing with Karejwa, and now with this film also, what he has pulled off, beautiful backgrounds, and he faced all this, truckloads of feedback I would give him with red lines, he and beautiful thing about him is that he stands his ground. So what he thinks is right, he would stand his ground. So great work to Ankit also. And that's it. I think a good clap for all of us. And that's it. Bye bye. I hope you liked the film, and I guess पसंद आई हो. मैं आपको अपनी पगड़ी निकाल के रख रहा हूँ आपके पाँव में कि please like this film. And I hope you liked it. Film is on YouTube. You can see it on Bakarmax YouTube as well. We by this time we also will have a detailed making of video, which will have a lot of things which are not obviously in the final film. And if you liked it, you can go to bakarmax.com. You can read a lot of our comics. We make a lot of comics, one comic every week. You can go to our YouTube and you can watch all our animation. All our animation is also on bakarmax.com. And if you're someone who already knows Bakarmax, then please go on buymeacoffee.com/Bakarmax or go on bakarmax.com. There's a small button on the right, and click there, go buy us a coffee, buy us a chai. It really helps because we do a lot of original work. This CRED piece is a client work, but that's how we sustain ourselves, but we do a lot of original work day and night. And I would want to specially mention all the people who are not there. I actually by mistake said Ankit was going to be there, but Ankit was not there, and we couldn't have Ankit there. We couldn't have Manish Kestwal there, who did all the background music on the film. The CRED team, nobody was the CRED team was able to be there because they just said, you're a third class podcast. We're not going to be on third class podcast. I'm joking. They're nice people, but they're not there. And Karan, who did the last song that you hear, he actually has done all the songs on all CRED films. He was not there. And Bakarmax team say Mukund was not able to be here, who puts all of these together. If you've ever heard this podcast, you can thank Mukund. And yeah, that was it. And I hope you like the film. For us, it's a dream because हम लोग को ये characters Chacha Chaudhary. I love Chacha Chaudhary. Everybody, the people who are dead fans and of Suppandi as well, and to make a film using them, really fun and for adults is, for us, we consider this a stepping stone to adult animation, something that we really want to do. So Hanji, I hope you liked it, and thank you.